Myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today, students, I discuss some examples of the triangles Thales theorem. In previous classes, I had discussed the Thales theorem, the converse of Thales, and some properties of Thales theorem. Today, I discuss some problem on the base of the Thales theorem. So, dear students, please now see here. Now see here a triangle ABC and DE parallel to BC. So, by Thales theorem or BPT theorem, we can write the ratio of this part in this way. First, BPT theorem, you can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That means this part of the triangle divided by this part is always equal to this part of triangle divided by that part. Or this can be written as just reciprocal of this. So AD by DB you can write DB by AD, and this AE by AC you can write EC by AE. Both are same things. So if you write this, then it is right. Otherwise you write this, then it is right. Because AD by DB first to top, then DB bottom. First top AE, then bottom. Otherwise you take first bottom, then second top. First bottom and second top. So one is, it is the Thales theorem or BPT theorem. Second part, you take AD, then whole part AB. AD, then whole part AB. Similarly, AE, a small part of the top, then whole part is AC. So it is also basic proportional theorem of the ratio or Thales theorem. So you can write other ways that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, or always in the reciprocal form also. This AD by AB you can write AB by AD, and this AE by AC you can write AC by AD. Third, BD, bottom part of the small part, BD by total part AB. BD by total part AB is equal to EC, bottom part, by AC, total part. It is the third way to write, express the ratio of the parts of the triangle by Thales theorem or basic proportional theorem. This BD by AB and EC by AC can we write in the reciprocal form, that is AB by BD is equal to AC by AC. So there are 6 types. You can write the ratio of the triangle between a line parallel to a line in the triangle by Thales theorem or basic proportional theorem. Examples of exercise 7 of triangle chapter by Thales theorem. It is the example 2. In the given figure, DE parallel BC, this DE parallel to BC, and AD by DB, this AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5, means 3 is to 5, that means AD ratio 3 and BD ratio 5. If AC is equal to 4.8, this is AC and whole AC is given 4.8 cm, then find AE. Then what is your question, what is the length of the A? So dear students, in this part you are asking to for AC given 4 parts, this is, and asking to a small parts. So you take in triangle ABC if D parallel to BC. So by Thales theorem or by basic proportional theorem, you can write AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Why? Because you have find to AE and given AC. So you take AE, you have to find and given AC. So AE by AC, similarly this side AD by AB. What you get here? AD, it is 3. AB, it is 3 and it is 5. So whole AB is 8. AD 3 and DB is 5. So whole AB is 8. And A you have to find. So I write here A. And AC, that is given 4.8, I write here. By cross multiplication, we write here 8 into A is equal to 4.8 into 3. So 80 is equal to this 8 divided to that side. So 8 divide 4.8 into 0.6 times. So last step 0.6 into multiply by 3, then you get 1.8 cm. That is the length of the 3 of exercise 7. That is in the given figure. It's given in the given figure in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. So that AD is equal to 4x minus 3 cm. This AD is equal to 4x minus 3 cm. AE is equal to 8x minus 7. AE is equal to 8x minus 7. BD is equal to 3x minus 1 cm. BD is here. It is given 3x minus 1 cm. And CE is here. That is 5x minus 3 cm. It is given that. Then find the value of x. There are two things given here. Each part of this triangle is given in the variable terms, that is in the form of x. Another is given DE parallel to BC. Two things is given. First you take in this triangle ABC, if DE parallel to BC, this DE parallel to BC, and each part is given in the form of x. So we take by BPT theorem all the small parts, like as AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. So by BPT theorem we take here AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. What is the value of AD? I put here, that is 4x minus 3. What is the value of BD? That is 3x minus 1 is equal to, what is the value of AE? That is 8x minus 7 and EC 5x minus 3. Now cross multiplication, we write here 4x minus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 3 is equal to 8x minus 7 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Multiply by column methods, it is 4x multiplied by whole 5x minus 3. It is minus 3 multiplied by whole 5x minus 3. Similarly, here is 8x multiplied by this whole part 3x minus 1. Here is minus 7 multiplied by 3x minus 1 whole part. What you get? 5 4 are 20x square. 5 4 are 20x into x square minus 4x into minus 3 minus 12x minus 3 into 5 minus 15x minus 3 into minus 3. Here is minus and there is also minus, that is plus 9 is equal to 8x into 3x 24x square, 8x into minus 1 that is minus 8x minus 7 into minus plus 3 that is minus 21x and minus 7 minus 1 that is plus 7. So now solve and factorize. What you get here? You get here 20x square minus 12x minus 15x that is minus 27x. 12 and 15 minus 27x plus 9 is equal to 24x square and 8x minus 21x minus 29x and plus 6. Next step, you write here it is 20x square minus 24x square, because this is plus 24 for this side, here is equal to, so it is minus 27x and it is minus 29, this side plus 29x and plus 9 and minus 7 is equal to remain this side is 3, because all parties write LHS. This 24 plus, so we write here minus, this minus 29x, this side plus 29, here plus 7, this side minus 7. Here remaining no anything, so it is right 0. Second step, 20x square minus 24, that is minus 4x square and it is plus 2x and it is 9 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorize it and first you take common, minus 2 is common. So here is 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, because these two both that side divides and change it to 0. Now factorize by middle term, this is x and here is 2. So we write 2x square minus 2x plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here will be minus because you take here minus common. So change, you write here minus. Now 2x common, then x minus 1 plus 1 common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. What you get here? Here you get 2x plus 1 and here you get x minus 1, that is 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. It is not possible. And here is x minus 1, that is 0. So x is equal to n. It is your solution. So value of x is 1. That is your solution. Question of today. Question number 8. In the given figure is here, DE parallel AC. Find out, student, this DE parallel to this AC. DE parallel to AC and DF. This is DF and it is parallel to A. Two things it is. Then prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by AC. So first write in triangle ABC. What is given that DE parallel AC. Find out in your figure DE parallel AC. If DE parallel AC and your question is BE AC, so you take ratio BE and AC. What you get? DE parallel AC and ratio is BE AC. So you write DE parallel AC. Hence BE by EC is equal to BD by DE. I write here BE by EC is equal to BD by DA by BPT theorem, basic proportional theorem. Second, that is DF parallel A. DF parallel A. Here is DF parallel A. This figure in the only this triangle BAE. So DF parallel A. So you write DF parallel A. BF by FE. BF by FE is equal to BD by DE. Write this. But RHS are equal in both equations. Find out. This is BD by DA and this is BD by DA. Second equation, both are equal. So write from equation first and second, we get this LHS will be equal. So BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. That is your question. That is RHS. It is proved. That is the last question. Next, of exercise 7. In the adjoining figure, MN parallel QR and PM is 1.9 cm, MQ is 5.7 cm, NR is 6.9 cm. Then you have two questions: find PN and find PR. You have find PN and find also PR. Dear friend, find out in these questions this line are parallel and all a small part is given and one have to ask you. So this part is given, this part also given, and you have find to PN. So use all a small part. Like as if PQR in triangle, PN parallel QR, then you can write PM by MQ. PM by MQ is equal to PN by NR. PN by NR. And it is also BPT theorem or Thales theorem. We write here by BPT theorem or by Thales theorem. Here is all a small part, so take all the small parts in the ratio form. So PM by MQ is equal to PN by NR. Here is 1.9 cm, here is 5.7 cm is equal to PN, not given, so I write here only PN, and this is 6.9 cm given. Now cross multiplication, PN into 5.7 is equal to 1.9 into 6.9. Therefore PN is equal to, this is multiplied, go that side, divides, and this 1.9 divided by 3 times, 19 3 are 57, so 3 times, and this 3 cancel this 2.3 times because 23 3 are 69. So here is 2.3 cm and that is PN. So first your solution is PN, that is 2.3 cm. Next, your question is what is PR? If NR is given and you find PN, then it is clear when you add it, then you get PR. So what is PR? That is PN plus NR. See your figure, PN plus NR. PN is given 2.3 and NR given 6.9. So when you add it, then you get 9.2 cm. That is your solution. Thank you. Now say example 6. In the given figure, AD by DB is equal to A by AC, and angle ADE is equal to given angle ACB. It is given that, then prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So dear student, first we write solution in the given figure. What is given that? Here is given AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, that is given. So by converse of basic converse of PPT, that means basic proportional theorem, DE parallel to BC. That means this line DE parallel to BC. If this line DE parallel to BC, then what is the relation between these two angles? These lines are the parallel and this is the transversal. So these angles are called corresponding angle. Like here, so these angles are corresponding angle. So similarly, DE parallel to BC, so these angles are the corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are always equal. So right here, hence ADE is equal to ABC, equation first by corresponding angles, and ADE is equal to ACB given in your questions. ADE is equal to ACB in your questions. This angle is equal to this angle given by corresponding angle, and this angle given by in your questions. So what you conclude here? Here equation first, here second, find out both LHS are equal. Then it is clear RHS will be equal. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. If ABC is equal to angle ACB, so as class 9, if base angle are equal, then their opposite sides will be also equal. So ABC is equal to ACB, hence side AB is equal to side AC. Then it is clear that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Example 7 of exercise 7. That is M and N are points on the sides AC and BC. M and N are the points of the sides AC and BC. M is the points on AC and N is the point on BC of triangle ABC. In each of the following cases, there are 3 cases in your questions. I write here only 2. Each case is a state whether MN parallel AB, MN parallel AB. That means, dear student, you have to find the relations between their parts of the triangle. That is CN MA, CN NB, CM MA, etc. And if it is equal, then you can write by converse of theirs or converse of basic proportional that these lines are the parallel of nodes. So your first condition is given: CM 4.2, MA 2.8, NB 3.6, CN 5.7. Find out from this part of the triangle. You find out that all part are the small part of this CM, MA, CN, NB. Find out here CM, MA, NB, CN. So we take CM by NA, all the small part. CM by MA. I write here CM by MA. Then we get here 3 by 2. Next, CN by NB. I write here CN by NB. That is 5.7 by 3.6. That is 19 by 12. It is 3 by 2. It is 19 by 12. Both are not equal. So you write CM by MA is not equal than CN by NB. Hence it is clear that this MN line is not parallel to AB. If it is equal, then parallel. This is not equal, so MN is not parallel to AB. Similarly, next question, CB, CN, CA and CM. Find out CB, that is the large part. You find out CA, that is the large part. So we take the ratio CB by CN. CB by CN, that is large part and one part of the upper part. So we write here CB by CN is equal to 6.92 by 1.04. Cancel 2 times, then here 346, here 52, again 2 times, then 173, here is 26. I write 173 by 26, the value of CB by CN. Other is CA by CM. I write here CA by CM. CA 1.73 and CM 0.26. After 2 digit cancel, then it is clear it is 173 and 26. To find out both RHS are equal. So you can write that this part will be equal. So I write CB by CN is equal to CA by CM. CB by Cn is equal to Ca by Cm. So by converse of Thales or converse of basic proportional, you can write that this Cmn is parallel to AD because the ratio of both parts are equal. Hence it is parallel.